has got to be one of the most difficult days cycling I've ever had. Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome back to the Democratic Republic of Congo. In this episode, we continue cycling through the middle of the Congo jungle during wet season and have some of the craziest moments with the locals that I've ever experienced. Make sure you don't miss this one. I really think you're going to enjoy it.
Good morning. Matthias and I stayed in this school last night. Put our tents up here. The rain came through the roof a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. You can see the floor of the school is just like dirt, and they've just got piles of bricks and things just laying around at the back. For some reason they can't clean it up, but yeah. Today's going to be a difficult day. I think 60 k's to Oshawa, and yeah, apparently there's knee-deep water, so I guess we'll see.
Yeah, that was a long evening yesterday with all those kids. Constant attention. Happy to be on the road again now. It's about 7 o'clock, and you can see some of the kids all following us here. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
You need a hand?
No. Is that okay on this side?
Yeah, it was good. It was easy. And he's going to do it in 1 second now. Facile pour vous, non?
Oui. Some habitués, ça.
Ouais. What a beautiful morning. Finally gotten rid of those kids and have a nice trail for a second. After crossing some of those bridges, on that first bridge I almost fell in. I slipped and just caught my feet in time. Would have been pretty bad if I fell in there. Would have really hurt myself and my bike would have gotten damaged. So yeah, I'm happy to be going again now. At least there's a bridge. Scheiße.
Good.
Bonjour. Ndale means white man. attendez. Bonjour, bonjour. Attendez, attendez. Ah? Ah, on veut aller à la boutique. Boutique. Hein? Ah, c'est pas là. On bouge pas.
Vous identifiez maintenant.
Hein?
C'est pas un modèle pour bombarder avec vous.
Vous êtes qui?
On est
Hein?
en sécurité.
La sécurité, non. On fait pour le DGM seulement.
Avec la sécurité aussi, la mer, oui.
Non. On passe pas ici.
There, 50 meters.
Okay, yeah.
There was like some soft drinks, I guess. And then, I don't know.
Not too much.
Let's continue. Bonsoir.
Okay, allez-y. Yet another river crossing. Ah, stick. Bah, ça va tomber, ça va tomber. Comme ça. Ah. Ok, vas-y. attention, attention. Attention. Attention là. Allez, allez, slow, slow, lentement, 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 lente. Attends, arrête. Arrête. Je peux plus. Yeah, that was crazy. That was one of the craziest things I've ever seen, with all those people going just mental for us. They were screaming, chanting, running, swimming through rivers to keep up with us. What do you reckon, Matthias?
Completely tired.
Yeah, we're both exhausted. We just got from one side of the village to the other, and it's just taken all our energy. We had to take 4 different pirogues, 4 different canoes across with the bikes to get across the river. And yeah, things are a bit wet, but not too bad. And yeah, we're definitely not going to make it to Auschwitz today, probably tomorrow. We're hoping we can go another 10 kilometers to some other town or village and maybe stay there for the night. So hopefully the route's not too difficult. But yeah, what an interesting day so far. Where we go, this way or here?
I think here's the river. Let's put it on the river.
Ok. You donne 1000 francs. 1000 francs. Ok, vas-y.
I think this is the river here crossing. So
Yeah, attendez.
where's the pond? Here?
Oh yeah, I'm on the piece. Yeah, me too.
You can get him money now.
I haven't yet. I said 1000 francs.
Yeah.
Bonjour. Hang on, let me.
I have money.
You have? C'est comme ça, c'est tout le village qui est là.
Oui.
On a donné. On a donné déjà 1000 francs.
Non, on m'a pas donné. On m'a pas donné. Mais moi, je vous aidais. Je vous aidais beaucoup. Ah, on te l'a pour le moment. Vous devez me donner quelque chose.
Ouais, attendez.
Je vous ai de sauver. 14 heures.
Je lui donne 500. Voilà, merci. C'est ça, ouais.
C'est ça.
C'était 2,50 comme ça.
Oh là là.
Ok, merci.
Bon, ça va?
Bonne journée.
Bon voyage.
Merci beaucoup.
Ok. À nous revoir.
Ouais. Crossing rivers. Trying to walk it because they want money. Too much money for the pirogue. Well, I must say, this has got to be one of the most difficult days cycling I've ever had. Just continuing on. We've only done not even 30 kilometers in almost 9 hours. I think our plan is to stop another few kilometers at a village, and that will make 30 kilometers for the day. Ah. Yeah. Gonna have to get the gear off, aren't I? Ah. What? It's getting deeper. So we finally passed our final river for the day, we hope. It was about, what, 500 meters a kilometer? Something like that. I walked halfway with my bags and then I saw that there was a little canoe, and I went to get the 2 bikes and Matthias, and we paid like $4 or something like that. And yeah, I tell you what, this is a real adventure. It really is. Just, how many have we done today like that? How many river crossings? Yeah, at least 5 big ones like that, many small ones. And yeah, they said it's never like this. There's some big rain 3 days ago and it's flooded, so it's never normally like this. I think we just got really unlucky that the route's like this, but also lucky at the same time because at least we get to have a fun experience. Yeah, 30 Ks today, and we're still not there yet, so. $33 kilometers for the day.
Today.
Better than I thought. 8.5 hours. Vous avez vu ça? Bonjour, on va passer. Merci. Bonjour. Bye.